Welcome back. This is a PR-10500 CNC plate roll from Baileigh Industrial. This 4-roll machine is manufactured in one of our Italian plants to the highest standards in the industry, so it will give you decades of production. Now let's take a look at the roll system a little bit in more detail. As I said, this is a 4-roll system. So this is your top roll, and this is your pinch roll. These are your bending rolls on the front and back. Now these front and back bending rolls actually move up and down in a planetary motion. As opposed to a linear motion, it's much more advantageous on a CNC machine. Now the front and back bending rolls lift up and down using independent hydraulic systems. However, to keep them true to the top roll, there is a large stabilization system in there. The working web width on this machine is 10 foot or 3,100 millimeter. The maximum capacity or bending capacity on here is 1/2 inch or 13 millimeters in mild steel. The machine requires 460 volts of 3-phase power. That power drives a large 15 horsepower, 11 kilowatt motor. The actual drives on the rolls are done by a hydraulic motor to large planetary gearboxes. On those gearboxes and those motors, there are encoders to make sure that we're linearly feeding out the exact plate position that CNC programmer is calling for, as well as linearly in that planetary motion lifting those front and back bending rolls. All right, here we're at the CNC Operator Control Console. Now this is a very sturdy console. For our switches here, we have your start and your stop, and the most important switch on the machine is obviously your E-stop. Here we have 2 speed pots. One is for the linear feed of the plate. The other one is for the lifting and the dropping of the front and back bending rolls. If you want to go into a manual bend mode, you have these great toggles to take care of most of your roll positions. If you want to download a Dxf file, you can do that by accessing this area. Now let's go to dry running a CNC program. So if you want to find out more about this great product, the PR-10500 CNC plate roll from Baileigh Industrial, go to www.baileigh.com. Thanks for joining us.